PADERNO has a wide range of long-handled kitchen tools and spatulas to enhance your cooking moments each and every day. Hi, I'm David, Product Development Manager for PADERNO. The jar spatula is a unique, long-handled tool that has many uses and features to help you in the kitchen. Unlike other spatulas, the jar spatula is designed in a way to reach into jars and containers to scoop and scrape out food where others cannot. We all know that using a spoon or knife doesn't do the job. It lacks flexibility and the reach that the jar spatula has. The spatula head is made of non-stick silicone and allows you to be able to flex it so you can get into tight corners or hard to reach places. The front edge of the jar spatula accommodates curved bowls and uniquely shaped jars. By pressing it tight against the inside of the container, it allows you to cleanly swipe the food off the surface. The back edge accommodates a straight jar size. You can run the upper edge around the inside rim of a jar to get every last drop out. The jar spatula is dishwasher safe and has a removable head for thorough cleaning. Be sure to check out our entire line of thoughtfully designed and inspired products from PADERNO.